At Eichler Hearing Center, we have a process that we go through that allows us to understand your situation and give you the important information you need in order to stay healthy and continue to hear well. The first step of the process is to simply have your hearing tested. If you don't suspect any difficulty communicating or otherwise aren't having problems with your hearing, it's still a good idea to do. It's like a wellness check or a physical. If you do notice some communication difficulty, it's that much more important to have your hearing tested. Occasionally, there are things that can be done to fix the situation. Maybe your ear is plugged with wax or something else that's easily fixed, and you want to fix that if you can so that it doesn't turn into something permanent. And knowing this information is a good thing, not a bad thing. Sometimes people think, well, if I know, then I have to do something. But that's not the case. Knowing empowers you to see what your options are, and doing nothing certainly is one of those options. But knowing is a good thing, not a bad thing. If you'd like to have your hearing tested, simply give us a call at 1-800-441-1431 or fill out the form directly below this video, and we will get in touch with you to set up that free hearing test. Thanks for watching.